In the heart of the vast Australian outback, where the red earth meets the endless blue sky, lived Kora, a young kangaroo with extraordinary ears. Kora loved to listen to the whispers of the wind and the rustling of the desert. Uluru, the great red rock, stood tall, a sacred place for all the land. But lately, Uluru was losing its brilliant color, becoming dull and brown. Elder Wombat, wise and old, sat with Kora under the starry sky. Uluru has forgotten its Dreamtime song, he said sadly. The song is made of rhythm, melody, and words, Elder Wombat explained. You must listen closely, Kora. At sunrise, Kora set off to find the rhythm, the heartbeat, in the rocky outcrops where the lizards lived. She saw a frill-necked lizard tapping its feet like a drummer. Kora closed her eyes and listened to the rhythm. With the rhythm safely in her mind, Kora hopped towards the canyon where the wind whispered a melody. The wind swept through the rocks, creating a gentle melody. Her keen ears caught every beautiful note. Finally, Kora went to the ancient ghost gum tree to hear the wise old words of the desert's secrets. The tree's leaves rustled, and Kora heard the faintest whispers, the final words needed for the song. With the rhythm, melody, and words, Kora felt the song fill her with warmth and hope. She raced back to Uluru and, standing tall, sang aloud with all her might. As her voice carried across the desert, Uluru began to glow again, its colors deepening to the brilliant red of dawn. The giant was awake, singing its Dreamtime song once more, echoing across the land. Elder Wombat smiled as Kora hopped beside him, filled with happiness and pride. Proudly, you did well, Kora. Satisfied, you brought back the sacred song. Now Uluru will shine forever for all who call this land home. From that day on, Kora was known as the keeper of the Dreamtime song. She reminded everyone that the land's stories live in the sounds around us. Even the quietest whisper can bring magic back to life. And so, Kora continued to listen and share the Dreamtime song for all the years to come. And the magic of the Australian Outback was safe, as long as Kora was there to listen. Every sunset, as the red rock glowed, Kora knew the heart of the land was still singing. And the Dreamtime song lived on, in the heart of Kora and in the heart of Uluru, forever. The end.